Ayaw. Baktas pa dong na.
Good morning, sir. May I see your access identification permit?
Oh, I live in my vehicle. I just need to drop off something quickly.
Sir, for security reasons, sir, I need to verify your credentials. Please provide a valid ID or step aside.
I'm telling you, I work here. You're wasting my time. Let me in. I'm telling you, I work here. You're wasting my time. Let me in.
Sir, stop!
Oh,
Sir, I must ask you to remain here while I'm... Please do not attempt to proceed further. Hello, sir, this is security guard Tinaku. We have an individual attempting unauthorized entry at access point 3. This individual is unable to provide valid ID and is becoming invitational. Requesting your presence immediately, sir.
oh yes, yes. Copy, copy. On the way. Morning guard. What's the situation here?
Individual attempted to access the facility without proper identification. When asked the credentials, they failed to provide any and became argumentative.
Good morning, sir. I'm Ford Facility Officer Security Guard here. Please provide your identification and state your reason for being here.
I already told your guard. I work here. I forgot my ID. This is ridiculous.
Without proper identification, I cannot to verify your claim. Because you are a restricted area. If you cannot provide valid documentation, I will detain you and notify local authorities. Please stay here in a minute, okay? Security guard, come with me. contact the law enforcement. We have an unauthorized individual attempting to the beach identified. Do you understand, guard? Excuse me, I noticed you were nearby during the incident. Did you observe anything unusual?
Yes, I saw the individual living near the fence near, looking around suspicious. I thought it was one, but I think too much of him.
Thank you for your cooperation. Observation will be noticed in incident report. I will detain you now for being intruders. Do you understand?